Welcome back. You know, we are still talking about how to keep your man. We are still trying to let you know the possibility that it is possible to keep your man. And we have discussed so many other points. We are going to continue with few other remaining points, which will be the end of this issue of keeping your man. The next point is having faith in him. Have faith in your husband. Believe in him. Let him feel that you are reliable to him. You are dependent on him. Let him feel that feelings that you truly believe in him. You truly believe in his judgment. You truly believe in what he can offer. When he knows that you believe in him, it makes him to work more harder so that he will not disappoint you. The next one, protect his ego. If you want to keep your man, don't tamper with their ego. Men, especially in an African setting, does not joke with their ego. This is the truth of the matter. If you like, say that this is the 21st century. If you like, go and be dragging authority with him. What a man, a woman can do it better in your own husband's house. You will lose him. That's the truth. Make him to know that he is still in charge. And then, you can even control him without him knowing it. When you protect his ego, you will benefit more because he will give you more chance to control you. The next one, let him understand and be honest to him. Let him understand you and then be honest to him. It is painful when you have a wife in the house that cannot tell you the truth. It is painful when you have a wife in the house that you cannot take her word to the bank. Tell your husband the truth that you know, even when it is difficult to say that truth, even when you cannot say that same truth to others. Say that truth to your husband. There is this kind of confidence that it gives men, that as far as my wife has spoken, that is what it is. Be honest to your man, be sincere to him, be truthful to him, and you will see him coming home on his own without you forcing it on him. The next one is being humble. If you want to keep your man, you must get rid of your pride. Learn to admit your mistake and ask for forgiveness. This is a very problem in our society today. Pride has taken over our women, and at the same time you want to keep your man. Two captains cannot be at the same boat and be handling it at the same time. Learn to do away with your ego, to do away with your pride, and submit to your husband. Learn to accept your mistake when you committed one error or the other, and he tells you, this thing that you did, I don't like it. Try as much as you can. Admit your mistake and ask for forgiveness, and life move on. These are steps you will take in order to keep your man. If you don't do them, you are systematically and ignorantly pushing that man outside. Again, make sacrifices. When you think of him first, it will make him realize that you are a woman made for him. Everything must not be for you alone, for your own benefit. You want money and he's saying, I don't have money. Understand. You want this and that thing is not available at that moment. Understand. Always put him into consideration before any action. Always have him in mind. Always think about him. It gives men that courage that, wow, God has blessed me with the most beautiful and knowledgeable wife, the most understanding wife. But when you don't do that, he sees you as an enemy who doesn't want his progress. As far as you want to keep your man, these are one of the things you will do to be able to keep him. Again, be calm and patient. Learn how to control your anger and manage yourself. Don't be a nagging wife. Some of you have sent your husband out of your house because of nag. You nag in the morning, you nag in the afternoon, you nag at night. You nag by every slightest mistake, you are nagging. Any chance you get, you are nagging. You call him names, you talk to him anyhow, and you want to keep. This is the same man you say you want to keep in your house. Be calm. Be patient with him. He may have his errors, but be calm and be patient with him. With time, it will flow. With time, the errors will be corrected. Finally, protect him. The same way it is the responsibility of a man to protect his family, to protect his wife and the children. In the same manner, it is also your responsibility to protect your man. Protect him from gossip. Protect him from your in-laws, from his in-laws. Protect him from his siblings. Protect him from everything, every attack. Protect him from evil side chicks. It is your duty and your responsibility to make sure you give your husband the protection that he needs. Sometimes some of you don't know that men can be weak at times. Help him on his weak areas and you will succeed in keeping your man. This may not be the only tips that you will need to keep your man. There might be others which I would like you to add to your own on the comment section so that we keep encouraging one another to make our marriage and our society better. Thanks for listening, and don't forget to subscribe, to like, and comment.